the Cool Coolers by Fit and Fresh 2-pack. Soft ice is a versatile and practical product that I highly recommend. Designed with convenience and functionality in mind, these ice packs are a must-have for anyone who enjoys outdoor activities such as beach trips and picnics. One of the standout features of the Cool Coolers is their construction from high-quality nylon material that ensures durability and longevity. The navy sketch weave and blue colors add a touch of style, making them visually appealing as well. With a manual operation, these ice packs require no additional power source, making them extremely easy to use. Simply place them in the freezer overnight, and they will be ready to provide you with chilled refreshments throughout the day. The Cool Coolers have a generous capacity of 44 cubic inches, allowing them to hold a sufficient amount of food or beverages. This is particularly beneficial for families with kids, as it can accommodate an assortment of snacks and drinks.